Welcome to issue 67 of our weekly report. In the final week of May, we would like to highlight two pieces of good news. First, total sales and total shipments of EAI robots reached 69 units in May, exceeding the combined total for March and April. Second, the company has formally submitted a referral letter to the SEC regarding potentially illegal short selling and market manipulation, and we continue to fight illegal short selling. On the device side of our 3-in-1 strategy, robot devices shipment reached a new record high in May. This marks the continued acceleration of FFAI robot sales and deployment, giving us greater confidence in achieving our shipment targets of 200 units in the first delivery season and 1,500 units for the full year. More importantly, it shows that FF's multi-form AI robot device roadmap is beginning to show early results. Unlike companies such as Tesla, which focused on a single general-purpose humanoid robot, FF is delivering EAI devices in multiple forms, including both humanoid and bionic robots. By addressing real-world needs in education, security and inspection, reception and guidance, healthcare and other use cases, we aim to match the right device with the right use case. Through the robot vocational academy we are building, we aim to help EAI robots enter the real physical world faster, speed up the shift toward specialized expertise and professional roles for robots, and accelerate their mass adoption and continuous evolution. EAI Brain and open source and open developer platform side. Strong developer talent is continuing to join our systems. Among the first group of developers who have joined us, many come from leading universities such as Stanford, Carnegie Mellon, and UCI. Our developer ecosystem continues to grow. The development, availability, and the integration of agent skills for a wide range of real-world use cases will continue to accelerate. This will help FF's robotic products evolve beyond stand-alone hardware into an open ecosystem platform where hardware, brain, model, data, developers, and use cases work in synergy and grow together. The EAI Data Factory. The decentralized data factory has completed its first deployment on actual robots and is now ready to begin distributed data collection and training based on real-world robot operations. FF's B2B and B2C robot users, including home education, educational institutions, auto dealers, healthcare institutions, and others, will become real-world nodes for EAI data generation and feedback. At the same time, we completed the initial data delivery and our first data sales order this week. This further strengthens the data factory's business and commercialization loops, amplifying the evolutionary flywheel effect across device data brain. And our AI-first transformation strategy, FF's 3-in-1 ecosystem continues to make meaningful progress across all fronts. I also want to take the opportunity to extend an invitation to the generation of AI natives. If you are passionate about AI, understand AI, and want to help shape how AI is applied in the real-world operations, we'd love to hear from you. Join us as we help define the future of human-robot collaboration and build the next generation of EAI products. On the capital market front, the company has formally submitted a referral letter to the SEC regarding information related to suspected illegal short-selling activities targeting FX. We have requested that the regulator review and investigate potential misconduct, including the dissemination of misleading information, defamation, attempts to manipulate investor sentiment, the creation of unwarranted market panic, and illegal profiting from market misconduct. Going forward, we will continue to protect the interests of the company and our stockholders through appropriate legal and regulatory channels, ensuring that FF's market value more accurately reflects its operating fundamentals, long-term potential, and continue putting stockholders first in everything we do. In addition, over the past 2 weeks, Jerry has represented FF at several major industry and investor events, including the Deutsche Bank Global Automotive and Robotics Conference and the CenturyOne Miami Conference, where he shared updates on FF's progress in physical AI, EA robotics, and EAI vehicle development. On June 4th, Jerry will also participate in the AI Investment Roundtable at the World Leaders Summit in New York, as we continue expanding our dialogue and engagement with leading institutional investors around the world. Looking ahead, FF will soon hold an all-hands meeting at our new headquarters, where we will share additional goals and initiatives for Phase 2 and Phase 3 of our 5 new transformations with our team. I will also include the information in the upcoming weekly report. Thank you all. See you next week.